Hey, Terry here. Today is Sunday. I just finished up about 4 days worth of painting the interior. The two posts you see on the porch, that's for the screen door. I'm eventually going to enclose that whole porch. We got the garage door installed on Saturday, and the fake shutters are something new to you. Excavation company's been bringing in a lot of dirt. Um, we're pretty happy with the colors. There was a lot of touch-up work that needed to be done. The ceilings are all white. The two bathrooms are white, and then this is a light gray. This was probably the hardest room to do because it was easy to not get a good coat on everything because you thought you coated it well, but once it dried, you could see the primer. These two end bedrooms are the same paint color. These rooms were a little easier to paint. I think the darker the paint, the better it is to know if you caught everything that needs to be painted. But there was a lot of touch-up work to do. The first day, I didn't even do any painting. I went through and just masked up all the windows and everything because I was going to use the sprayer, and I'm sure a lot of it's operator error, but the sprayer just didn't work. I was wearing an N95 mask, and I still managed to get paint everywhere, and it was just more of a mess using the sprayer than it was to just roll the paint. So we went to Plan B and rolled the paint, and we got it done in time for the work to be done on Monday. So that hallway, this whole center area, the washroom, the laundry room rather, they're all the same color paint. That was about 3 gallons easy. I think I got into the fourth gallon. The bedroom and the closet, that was 2 gallons, and I used every bit of it. So if I need to do some touch-up work on that, I'm probably gonna have to go buy a little bit. This is all the vanity stuff, light fixtures, mirrors, double vanity, 60-inch base. I'm pretty sure I saved a lot of money doing my own painting. Um, Joan, Ben, and Kelly helped me all day Saturday. And I have to ask myself, would I do it again? I don't know. Uh, you do save a lot of money, but I don't know if it was worth the 4 days of painting. I'm definitely not a professional painter, and I have a lot of new respect for painters. Hello, folks. It is Monday, and the guys just took off for lunch. So you saw in the previous video all the paint work, so I won't get too much into that, but I wanted to show you the start of our bathrooms. So this is our vanity. I love it. So the sink is integrated. It's a sink countertop, and there's no seam there. Let's check out the other bathroom. We got our mirrors and our lights. I think the basin might be in. Oh, he's working on the basin. We got the deep sink basin with cabinet instead of those plastic basins with the plastic legs because we wanted something nice and we want to be able to wash the dogs in if we have to give them a bath. Let's see what's going on here. All right, there is the vanity top and the cabinet. Sorry, I'm moving this all around. So exciting. All right, the gutter guy is here. He's working on the gutters. The excavation company was dropping off some more dirt. Electrician was here to size up what he needs for my garage heater. And flooring is going in on Wednesday. I'm waiting for a call back from the fireplace company because we're ready for the wood stove install. They gotta bring a base, and I guess the flooring goes the work around the base. I don't know. But anyway, we're ready for the install of the wood stove. Yeah, I'll film more today if there's anything new. Okay, well, that'll do it for now. I'm home in my comfy chair. I'm going to do a little editing and then I'm going to post this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for the 54 subscribers that we have now. And I will talk to you soon. Remember, hit the like button if you like what you saw. And if you don't like what you saw, just don't do anything. See ya.